Closing up, and the next thing you know, we're going to be up in there.
Blocks will be closing behind this freighter on the left, probably.
On the other end, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know whether they synchronize those or not.
So that they're doing this.
That way that keeps the pressure of the water and the pressure of the boat equal on both sides. Because you get got just a divide down through the middle. I don't know. So that thing. I don't know.
She said she has stocks in it. Things have changed.
As you might notice, the car carrier is in position. They close the gates, or are closing the gates. Now they're going to open up the big valves, I was telling you about. And we're going to have a rush of water from that lower chamber in front, right here in front of us. I mean, it won't be enough to bother the ship, but you'll see it rushing out. So wait for that. It'll be about 26 million gallons out in front of us. To lower that, about 27 feet. Now, when the water is equal, they will then open the gates. With even a small difference, because they're V-shaped against the pressure, and that's the idea. keep them tightly closed. But if the water is at the same level, as I said, water seeks its own level, so that's what's going to happen. They'll be able to open the gates. As I said, there'll be a warning,
There goes.
red line of bell,
Yeah, I
and
see.
there goes
Okay.
water now.
I'm glad you pointed that. I
Rushing
was
out.
looking up.
From this side, and in fact, from the other side.
Oh, on the other side, so they're balancing.
Here looks like another tanker, just a regular tanker. You see the bulbous valve. Water is rushing out. So it's a total of 52 million gallons per ship. Right now, it's an average of about 40 ships a day. You may have heard and read and seen on TV about Panama was having difficulties the last couple of years with the rainfall. It's simply not raining the way it was supposed to. Very dry. Canal levels went down, way down to alarming rates. The amount of ships that could use it were way down. From about 40 a day. At one point it went down to only about 22 per day. Then the rains came and levels are just about at the maximum
Good.
levels with which they should be. So that's a good thing, and hopefully it'll stay like that. There have been search for solutions. One of them is a river that's not far. They have a way of doing it. It's called the Spanish Indio, which means Indian. And they could dam that up and deviate it to come to enter the system, the lakes. In a while, we'll go into the big lake and see that. So we just have to wait now for equalization. Base will open. We're all hooked up. As far as the center locomotives, I think we have the side locomotives.
Grader settling down a little more on the lot.
Yeah, it's getting lower and lower, eh? Well, I saw that other one go by us this morning. Looks like they're, you see all underneath it, like they're sitting
Yeah.
up high.
Somebody is moving ahead in the lock. See the cloud of smoke up there?
Yep. He said you never turn the engines off. Always somehow, yeah.
कितने जाएंगे फोटो लेंगे अच्छे से
Yeah, but they weren't the size of locks that these were.
No, bigger, smaller?
Smaller.
Smaller.
They runs my mind if they are. Yeah, they had three sets of lifts, and we were only in the first one because we were going to fled the gang shaky behind us.
But there were a bunch of pleasure crafts. Remember the pleasure craft ones with all the little?
Yeah, they were. They had a separate lock for that that lifted it all at
मुझे भी लग रहा है ये
once.
बात तो भी सेकंड इससे ही मिलेगी सामने से करना है यहाँ भी ठीक है अच्छा ठीक है तो दिख रहा है ना ये अच्छी जगह
That's
है
okay. white one is the car here.
जब सामने
Yeah,
है
we have to wait for that.
वाली आएगा तो उठेगी ना
Yeah,
वो
well,
चीज़
we're
नहीं
waiting
है
for it now is for this water to go down. So they can open these.
And then they'll make us like follow him.
आएगा तो नहीं है
And then it's pretty much the same thing for quite a few miles, right? We all ride the same level.
After we go
After
through
we get in there.
three times.
Oh, we have three.
We have 3 locks to go.
नहीं ये पानी तो
Something like
सीधे
that.
भी जा सकता है
Something
हो
like
सकता
that.
है
I know that the lake that we run across is 85 feet above the water level in the oceans. So we got to get up that far. We got to get up that far. We got all kinds of locks on the Great Lakes. We're right down there in the Great Lakes. You know, we never
ऊपर
bothered to
लेवल
go
से
see
ऊपर आ
them.
जाएगी
He lived in Kitchener. We went to see St. Green.
Yeah.
But nothing like that.
Anybody ever been through the Welland Canal?
No, it's right there.
Too long now. See the water almost.
Been halfway around the world. Let's go through a lock.
Swinging gates. By the way, all original 1950s solar building. The concrete itself is basically
You guys see the flow of the water for the
kind of
cruise ship?
pyramids
You
all.
see how it's slowed down?
Up?
Yeah, but the water is calming down in the canal.
Okay, because there's
Yeah,
still
our side is still flowing pretty hard.
Okay. Oh, I see what you
And
mean.
they looked at the concrete, see the
The
conditions and everything.
guy at the freighter on the other side there, he's getting close to being in the same level.
Good, it's great, great shape. They would have, they sandblasted.
Yeah, look how high that one is way back.
Oh, yeah.
It looked like the first day. Now let's talk a little bit about the neons. Unfortunately, from where we are, and even the ones on the other end, you see some of it, but not really a lot. Well, look at the specs. One lane, they turn, see a couple of big ships there, container ship, maybe a tanker. Once again, it's only one lane, and they, the ships take turns. Let's say they send 6 going our way, maybe another 5 or 6 going ours. Over there, they do not use electric locomotives.
देखो हाँ यहाँ तो नीचे
I told you about it, it was around 2009, that was when the project started, and 2016. Now those were they are 1,400 feet long,
क्या बोलते हैं इधर मुँह करके बोलते हैं
It is, I told you, hydraulic.
Yeah, that's what I said, but is it about 13?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't
Yeah.
इसीलिए कम है
Water,
Load भी तो नहीं है
oil, pressure. The only exception are the lock gates. The lock gates over there are sliding, slide straight across,
Yep.
and they're operated by a 300 horsepower.
Freighter coming at us, and they've got to be just about level. Why send locks to see if they start to open the doors, or whether they wait to open the doors on both sides at the same time.
So we've got to get caught up.
You know, there's still a lot of water flow,
Yeah.
but you know, when you stop and you think about it, the pressure in the water on the right side or the left side, you got the whole weight of the ship pushing down. You got, there you go. Start to open
Oh, he's gonna
on
open?
both sides.
He's got to get out.
And they use a little more water, 65 million gallons.
It really didn't take that long. Watch that ship be drug ahead, and
Although we have no where to go.
doors are opening.
It'd be nice if we were in position.
Oh, okay. That's the planet, right?
Now, I do want to mention, the going back to this one, the tunnel in the middle is shared.